Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, dahil summer na, and sobrang init sa Pilipinas, I am going to show you how to make a 3-ingredient ice cream. So keep on watching and let's go! Our first ingredient is our all-purpose cream, and make sure that this cream is chilled. Next is our chilled condensed milk. And the last ingredient is our cookies. Let's start by preparing our mixer. Add in our all-purpose cream. At syempre, besh, kailangan kalusin. Let's start whipping our cream until it's stiff. It may take some time. And sorry for the nails, that was from the cookies. And continue whipping until it's foamy. You also have the option to add vanilla extract, but right now we don't have one, so that's okay. And then add our condensed milk. Continue whipping until your shoulders cannot take it anymore. Char.
A few moments later.
When our base is already stiff, add in our flavoring or the cookies. Mix for another minute or two, and then transfer it into a container. Normally, this mixture or this ratio can come up with a 500 ml ice cream. Put the mixture in our freezer for at least 6 hours, and then serve and enjoy.
A few moments later.
All for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below. Follow me on social media. Links are also in the description. And kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified for any food-related videos. Bye!